This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jillian Didier. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the desirable Sorrento neighborhood has lots to offer. The home features split floor plan with an open living room, vaulted ceilings and amp, updated flooring, a fully equipped kitchen with a stainless steel appliance package, ample cabinet space, a dining area, and amp, a breakfast bar, a full bath in the hallway with a jacuzzi tub, a spacious master suite with a walk-in shower and amp, a massive closet with built-in shelving, as well as access to the screened back patio, which offers an amazing view of the peaceful and relaxing scenery and amp, a pet door leading to the fenced backyard, and amp, a 2-car garage with washer/dryer hookups. Amenities include a community pool, walking trails, a playground, tennis courts, and amp, a fitness center. Located less than 6 miles from Shands/UF campus and amp, just minutes from some of Gainesville's greatest attractions, such as Devil's Millhopper, Possum Creek, San Felasco, and Hogtown Creek. You don't want to miss out on this beautiful home. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below.